and gentlemen, my name is Matos Domingos and I'm here at the second state exhibition show of vintage cars in Campo Novo do Parecis, and it's really nice to be here showing you these beautiful classic cars in this beautiful city. The event is one of the biggest in Mato Grosso and is gathering vintage cars lovers from all over the region here in the municipal stadium Arito Mazelli with a great variety of classic cars. There will be 3 days of exhibition and hundreds of people have already passed through here. They're all thrilled with the opportunity to see these classic cars up close. It's really cool to see how vintage cars make fans go back in time and rescue a period when the car had a great relationship with music and culture. The mayor, Rafael Machado, who is also an enthusiast for vintage cars and is part of the club of owners of these relics, stressed the importance of the event for the city and how it contributes to promote tourism and local economy. He said that it's very rewarding to see more and more young people enjoying these antiques, vehicle restorations, and get involved in the industry. And he hopes that the event continues to grow and attract more and more people interested in seeing and learning about vintage and classic cars. Ah, the GTI, man, Golf GTI. That's a dream come true, man. This is a dream car. I love that car. And here we have a celebrity. This celebrity here, a guy told me that this car, the owner, he refurbished this car here in Brazil, but all the parts from this car are from the United States. And somebody said that he denied, so somebody made him an offer of 1,500,000 reals and he said no. But that's a very rare Mustang, man. It's a very rare car here in Mato Grosso, and they said it's the only one here in Brazil. So 1,500,000 reals, that's like $300,000 for the car. And the owner said no. And look at this car. This is the Beetle. That's really rare. It's from Argentina. Oh no. The owner, his name is Argentino. So it's 1966. This Harvey. It's beautiful and it has the sunroof as well. Huh? Cool. So another Beetle, yeah, there's a lot of them here. As a typical classic Brazilian car, Santana, if I'm not mistaken. And this is another Brazilian classic car, that's Diplomata. And this is the Uno, one of the most popular cars in Brazil. And this one is really... So we have more Herbies here, and look at this motherfucker, since 1979, and this guy understands a bit, he understands a little bit of the American culture, because I think that's the Southern flag, if I'm not mistaken. and a tractor. I don't know why, but you know, because it's an area with lots of farms, so it's interesting to show them. Yeah, the Brazilian flag is everywhere. Camaro. It's similar to Opala. Herbie's, another red book here.
Atenção pessoal, que está responsável pela van. O motorista está responsável pela van. Lá na saída. Então atenção, o motorista da van.
Alright, that's an old Escort. I don't know if you have this car in US. Wow, look at this one. Another Saveiro. Young boys, they love this car. Yeah, I used to. But I'm not young anymore, so...
Olha, a Aline Renove Design de sobrancelhas em make-up faturou o número 009.
Golf Delray, this is beautiful. I like that one. Voyage Corcel, my dad used to have one like this. It was yellow as well. Those were the good times. And what about this one, guys? Do you like it? And another Jeep and another Brazilian flag. So it's beer time now, guys. So for 5 reals you buy 1 beer. Obrigado, Brahma. So it's like, yeah, $1 a beer here. I think that's a good price, right? $1 for a beer. I don't know how much is in US right now, but can you tell me, guys? You can write and tell me. $1 for 1 beer. So how much is it in the United States? So please write it down below in a section of comments, please. That's US Army car, but I don't think this is an American car. Let's see, Rural Willis. I'm not sure, so I'm not, you know, I don't understand a lot about the history of classic cars, but I know for sure I have a very good friend, Jeremy Cockrell. I think he's gonna love those cars. And that's the red look. Ha! That's really cool. I like that. That's really nice. I'm gonna go inside. And for sure, I don't even know the name of this old car. This is very old, and I think he's keeping the same structure. Okay, so TL, I don't even know, but that's old. That's the Voyage, another typical Brazilian car from Volkswagen, Mercedes. Oh my god, that was my dream car when I was a child. This car is beautiful. This car is really, really beautiful, guys. And that's the Cadet, another Chevrolet.
Graça, você gosta de pipoca? Tem pipoca de graça. Oferecimento da Agrícola Boca e faturou. Tá bom? Mais um prêmio.
Alright guys, this section here is from people outside Campo Novo do Parecis. So this one is from Sinop. Yeah, it's from all over Mato Grosso. Yeah, that's interesting what the guy just said. He said that there are 205 cars here in this exhibition. And I'm gonna try to show all of them here for you guys, so then you can understand a little bit of what they like here. I do like old cars, vintage cars, but I'd rather buy a brand new. This one is really interesting. Toyota. Oh. The guy even got a gun here, so that's really.
Quem faturou também prêmio, o 152. Faturou também o 125.
And this little thing here belongs to a friend of mine, Cristiano. I don't know why he bought this little thing, but he said his wife is mad at him. So his wife said, "You gotta sell this little thing, man. Otherwise you're gonna sleep in a dog's house." Alright guys, let's have a look at this car here. It's crazy, and I think, well, the plate says it's from Texas, California. I'm not sure it's from there. And this Herbie here, it belongs to a crazy motherfucker. I met him last night. His name is Paulo Nogueira, and he's a winner. He races, with this car here around Mato Grosso and outside Mato Grosso. So it's interesting to see this car. Let's have a look inside. And here we have some other cars. Another Chevette. Whoa, this is nice, different. Has some bikes in the back. Wow. And here we have the sayings in Brazil. It's saying, I don't have everything that I love, but I love everything that I have. Wow, that's cool. That's nice. Let's have a look at those cars. Hey, o direito de imagem tá liberado?
How are you?
I'm good, man.
I'm fine, man.
I'm good. Yes, esse chapeuzinho here. This little hat.
The hat is the man, the good man.
Good to see you, man. E aí, bom? Oh, that's the Maverick from Avelino. It's one of the most beautiful cars in Brazil. The old car. This is the Maverick. Wow. Look at this car. What car is that? Ford Galaxy? No. Galaxy 500. Yeah, this is the Harvey from my friend that I met before. He said if I don't show this car, he's gonna write in the comments that I have problems. He's gonna say bad things about me. So that's why this video is on the channel, and that's not, but no, it's not just because of that, but it's a nice car anyway, the Harvey. Golf GTS. Go GTS. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
I'm voiceless almost now. Animal experience. I like that. This is it, guys. It's time for me to say goodbye. My name is Matos Domingos, and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful video here in the city of Campo Novo, in the state of Mato Grosso. I want to thank you for joining me here at the Vintage Car Show in Campo Novo do Parecis, in the state of Mato Grosso. I hope you enjoyed the event and the opportunity to see these beautiful classic cars up close. So buckle up and let's continue our journey through the most beautiful places in Brazil together with me. And I can't wait to share my next adventure with you. Alright, so this is it. I'll see you again on the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.